Human excretory system. Human excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. And this excretory system is showing two blood vessels. One is vena cava, another is aorta. This is a tube. This is the blood vessels which takes blood away from the heart. That means this aorta is taking blood to the kidneys, and this is vena cava which is taking back blood from the kidneys to the heart. And this is what the TS of kidney, the internal structure of kidney. The outer portion of kidney is known as cortex. The inner region is known as medulla. And this is what the structural and functional unit of kidneys, which is called as nephrons, which are present in the cortex region of the kidneys. Now this nephron consists of a cup-shaped structure which is called as Bowman's capsule. This is what the Bowman's capsule, cup-shaped structure, which consists of a network of capillaries which is actually acts as a filter called as glomerulus. So this coil, the coil of capillaries which is present inside the blood Bowman's capsule is known as glomerulus. And this glomerulus is responsible for actually blood filtration. Now the residue, that means the waste, which is filtered by this glomerulus, passes to the tubular region of the nephron. This yellow colored, this is showing the tubular region of the nephron, through which the waste, which again consists of important substances like water, amino acids, sugar, and some salts, which could be used by our body back. So these things, they pass through the tubular region of the nephron along with the waste, and while passing through this tubular region, amino acids, sugars, much of the water, they are taken back. That means they are reabsorbed into the blood capillaries. Only the waste, which consists of nitrogenous substances like urea, water, and other waste products, are collected in the collecting duct. This is what the collecting duct, which is taking waste, which is collecting waste from all the nephrons. This is the common passage for all the nephrons, and from the collecting duct, the waste is taken to the ureters. आपकी ये सभी collecting duct फिर आपकी ureters से connected होती है. The ureters, the tubes which takes the urine, which is the waste, to the urethra, to the urinary bladder for removal. Now while passing through this tubular region, first of all absorption takes place, यानी जो भी काम की चीजें वापस blood में enter हो जाती है. Along with that, secretions, that means जो waste चीजें है जो आपकी body में अभी भी present है, like urea and other waste, they again enter into this tubular region. यानी reabsorption होता है उन चीजों का, like water, amino acids जो आपकी काम के है, वो वापस waste में से बाहर निकल जाते हैं. लेकिन कुछ वेस्ट जैसे कि यूरिया और कुछ सॉल्ट्स वो आपके ट्यूबुलर रीजन में सिक्रेट भी होते हैं, ब्लड में से इसमें एंटर भी होते हैं, ताकि उनका भी रिमूवल, उनका भी एक्सक्रीशन हो सके. एंड द फाइनल प्रोडक्ट, नाउ द वेस्ट व्हिच इज पासिंग थ्रू द कलेक्टिंग डक्ट विल बी कॉल्ड एज यूरिन, व्हिच इज 95% water, 2.5% urea and 2.5% other waste. So आपका ये जो urine है, that passes to the ureters, collected in the urinary bladder, and then removed through the urethra. So this is what known as human excretory system. Now these are two tubes which are showing here. This is renal artery and this is what renal vein. So आपके renal artery के through blood enter करता है आपके ग्लोमेरुलस में, यहीं पर ब्लड फिल्टर हो जाता है, और फिल्टर्ड ब्लड यानी प्योर ब्लड आपका यहाँ से बाहर. ओनली द वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स दे पास थ्रू द ट्यूबुलर रीजन. ओके, फिर आपके वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स आपके ट्यूबुलर रीजन से पास करते हैं, रीअब्सॉर्प्शन होती है, सिक्रीशंस होती है, एंड एट द एंड जो आपकी कलेक्टिंग डक्ट में आता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज वेस्ट, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज यूरिन. सो दैट्स हाउ a nephron works in the kidney, and there are millions of nephrons present in the pair of kidneys, which together work for the filtration of blood. So this is what human excretory system. But what would happen if these kidneys would not work, or if they get failed? अगर kidneys fail हो जाए या kidneys काम करना बंद कर दे तो क्या होगा? Obviously, the waste would be collected in our body. Waste जो भी है वो हमारी body में collect होता जाएगा. So in that case, what the person has to go through? The person either opt for hemodialysis or kidney transplant. And as we all know, kidney transplant is not an easy process. So those patients have to opt for hemodialysis. That means artificial kidneys. So what is hemodialysis? The process in which blood is filtered artificially. The blood is taken out from one of the arteries and it is filtered in artificial filters, that means outside the body, and filtered blood को वापस फिर एक channel से body में enter करवाया जाता है tube से, and the waste is removed from the blood. This is again a very complex process, as well as many side effects are there, and obviously it's a very lengthy process. The patient has to go through various like medicines, like pains, and many more. So hemodialysis is not an easy process, and the severity of the patient also decides the number of dialysis the person has to go through during the recovery. So कितनी dialysis कब होनी है, कितनी होनी है, that depends on the severity कि patient की condition कैसी है. In some cases सिर्फ एक ही dialysis like once a week भी काम चल जाता है, but in some cases twice a week or maybe daily. So dialysis again depends कि patient की condition कैसी है या उसकी body requirements कैसी है. And of course kidney failure not only leads to impure blood but also leads to failure of other organs. तो kidneys fail होने की वजह से जो waste body में collect होता है, that waste leads to failure of other organs. धीरे धीरे आपके बाकी organs भी खराब होने लगते हैं. So kidneys are very important. That means excretion is again a very important process for our body. Thank you.